When working with colors in CSS, it's important to know that all colors displayed on the screen are produced by combining red, green, and blue, also known as the RGB color spectrum. We can set colors in CSS using color names, RGB color codes, or hexadecimal values. This HTML document provides an example of all three. Our style sheet has three rules that will apply font coloring to any H1, H2, and H3 elements. The H1 style rule uses a color name, in this case red. The H2 style rule uses a hexadecimal code which represents light blue. The H3 style rule uses an RGB color code that represents a light purple color. We've referenced each of these rules in our HTML body, so H1, H2, and H3. We can see in our web browser, this is the end result. We can see that each style rule has been successfully applied. So H1 is red, H2 is light blue, and H3 is light purple. In order to get color codes and hexadecimal values, we can use a number of free online tools. Colorpicker.com is one such example. Here, we can browse through a color palette and retrieve the corresponding code values. If I wanted the code of this green, you simply click on it and you can see the hexadecimal value here, and you can see the corresponding RGB values here. And you can do that with any color in the spectrum.